Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Let us discuss about the content-based image retrieval by metric learning from radiology reports, applications to inertial lung diseases. Let us discuss about the content-based image retrieval. Is a search technology that not aid medical diagnosis by retrieving the presenting earlier reported cases that are related to the one being diagnosis. So retrieve the relevant cases. CBIR system depends on supervised learning to map a low-level image contents to high-level supervised concepts. So however, the annotation by medical doctors for training the evaluation purposes is a difficult and time-consuming task. So which restricts the supervised learning phase to specific CBIR problems of well-defined clinical applications. So this paper proposes a new technique that automatically learns the similarity between the several exams from textual distances extracted from radiology reports, thereby successfully reducing the number of annotation needers. So our first method, firstly, inverse the relationship between the patients by using the information retrieval techniques to determine the textual distance between the patient and radiology reports. So this distance is subsequently used to supervise a metric learning algorithm that transforms the image space according to textual distance. So the CBIR systems with different image description and different levels of medical annotation were evaluated. So with and without supervision from textual distance, using the database of computer tomography scans of patients with initial lung diseases. The proposed method constantly improves the CBIR mean average precision. So the proposed method constantly improves the CBIR means average precision with improvements that can reach 38% and more marked gains for small annotation setters. So give all the overall the availability of radiology reports in picture achieving and communication systems. So the proposed approach can be broadly applied to CBIR systems in different medical problems and may facilitate the introduction of CBIR in a clinical practice. Let us discuss about the flow diagram of the product. So first of all, the input image. So in the input images are taken the lung data set. The exams were performed according to the clinical needs and the consideration they did not follow the predefined protocol nor a hard specified time interval between the scans with no reports or which is the segmentation process failed. So to ensure the data set is a representative, a typical ILD collection. So no manual exam selection was made regarding either acquisition parameters, image quality, ILD class or ILD stage. So this is the processing of to getting the input images. And then the pre-processing step. So in the pre-processing step, remove the noise by using the Gaussian filter. So Gaussian filter is also used a pre-processing stage in image processing. A Gaussian image blur, also known as a Gaussian smoothing, is the result of blurring an image by using a Gaussian function. It is widely used effect in graphics software, typically to reduce the image noise and reduce the details. So the visual effect of this blurring technique is a smooth blur resembling that a view of film. So the image throughput translation screen, so that is a different from of the produced by an out of focus lens or shadow of an object under the usual elimination of the process. So this is the pre-processing of the step in the flow diagram. Next stage is the restoration process. So restoration process to the load data. So this is the process of restoration, and then so the objective of image restoration technique is a reduce noise and recover resolution loss. So image processing techniques are performed either in the image domain or the frequency domain. So the most straightforward and the conventional technique for image restoration is deconvolution, which is from the frequency domain and after computing the Fourier transform of both image and the factor loss of the bases. So this deconvolution because of its direct inversion of PSP. So which typically has poor matrix condition and amplify the noise. So to reduce the process. So this is the process inbuilt in the restoration process. So the next step is a feature extraction. So in the feature extraction process, to extract the feature from the image, so there are three types. One is a mean value and standard deviation and then histogram technique. So feature extraction involves reducing the amount of resources required to describe a large set of data. When performing analysis of complex data, one of the major problems stems from the number of variables involved. So analysis with a large number of variables generally requires a large amount of memory and computation power. So also it may be classification of algorithm to overfit training samples and generalize poorly to new samples. So calculate the mean, standard deviation and the histogram of the process. So and the next step is the classification. So in the classification process, KN classification is applied. So in the pattern recognition, the K means nearest neighbor algorithm algorithm, or the KNN for short. This is a non-parametric method used for classification and regression. In both cases, the input consists of case closest training example in feature space. The out depends on whether KNN is used for classification or regression. So in the KNN classification, the output is class membership and object is classified, and variety of case is equal to 1. The object is simply assigned to the class for a single nearest of the neighbor. So the classification is performed in the KNN classification. So that is a K nearest neighbor algorithm of the process. Finally, the performance analysis. So to calculate the test feature and getting the retrieved person details. So this is the patient details of the process. So these are the overall flow diagram of the product. Yeah, let us discuss about the running procedure for the product. So click the main file and then run. So it's a main guide design as will be open. It's take us some seconds. So in this process, so this is the guide design, content-based image retrieval by metric learning from radiology reports, application of inertial lung diseases. So first of all, import the image. So import the image, the data set will be displayed. So in the data set, we click the 6th image and then open. So the input image will be displayed in the input image, and the pre-processing step. So the pre-processing step we using the Gaussian filter. So remove the noise. So this is the filter image, and then registration. So in the registration process, two pixels will be divided, and then feature extraction. So in the feature extraction process, test feature are calculated. So test feature are calculated by the feature extraction process. So these are the values of mean value by using the feature extraction. So these all the values are mean value, and then these are the standard deviation values, and then these are all the histogram values. So these are the process of the feature extraction, and then finally the retrieval process. So in the retrieval process, finally we get the retrieval option. So the retrieval process get the process of retrieve the personal design 6. So the retrieve personal details 6 means our input image also 6. So finally we get the retrieve person details also 6. So these are the overall running procedure for the product. Thank you for listening this video.